Hi, I'm Chris Bryce from superservice.com. I'd like to talk to you about how to clean a virus-infected computer. Now, the first step in cleaning a virus-infected computer is to determine which virus or viruses you may have. Sometimes you might think that you have a virus and it ends up being a spyware, or vice versa. So that's the first step, is we want to make sure and determine what it is that's on the computer. The first way to do that is to try one of the online scanners. If you go to housecall.trendmicro.com or to Norton's Internet Security Sweep that's on Symantec's website, these will allow you to determine the type of virus that's on there. There's other online virus checkers out there. You may just do a search and try to find them, but those are the two that I recommend. Now, once you do the determination of the type of virus that's on your computer, you're going to look at trying to remove it. Now, the online ones that I mentioned will try to remove it for you, but if it's stubborn or if it's a virus that's trying to block antivirus software from working, you may end up having to get a recovery disk from a virus software. In that case, you'd actually have to purchase an antivirus software remedy that will do preventive maintenance as well. That's the main things to look at when you're looking at removing the viruses from your computer and keeping your virus-infected computer clean.